welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a makeup tutorial, very soft, very simple, but also with a soft brown eyes. And we also going to use the new Merit Bronze Balm in this video. But if you just click on this video, you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The first thing I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I'm going to apply it on the T-zone. You guys saw I have some pimples on the face, but we're gonna cover that. I think it's because we ate too much cheesecake. Sunday I showed you guys on my Instagram that we did for the first time here at home a cheesecake, and it was delicious. It was so good. After that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream in a concealer. I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, have extra coverage on my dark circles. If you follow me, you can. I always use orange concealer, but because we're still in the summer, I don't know why, I just tend not to during summer use orange concealer. The makeup super simple and very natural on the face. I never do this, but I'm going to use this one to cover those pimples. After that, for the face, I'm going to use these two. So first, I'm going to use the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. This is in the shade 110, and I'm going to use the new e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm going to use these two because this one is too light for my skin tone, this one is too dark for my skin tone, and these two gives your skin some glow. So I want this for this makeup. Start blending it on the skin. As you guys can see, it's too light. Now on top of that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is in the shade 5. And also going to start blending this out. Okay, so now moving on with concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and I'm going to apply it on the inner corners on the outside, and then I'm going to use another concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade Light, and this one I'm going to apply it in the middle part of my under eyes. Start blending these two together, like when it's too bright, and these two are a good combination. Because sometimes, I don't know if you have seen, like you try to combine a certain product with another one, even though let's say foundation or concealer, and it doesn't work. They just don't combine very well. It doesn't blend very nice, and these two are awesome together. Moving on with the bronzer. So Merit was very kind to send me their new bronze balm. It is their new product. We're applying it on their face. Let's talk about this new product from Merit. So this one comes in 5 shades. The Cheer Buildable that delivers a wash of natural warmth and depth. It has a natural looking color without any oranges. It is a light, soft matte finish that you can wear throughout the day. You can apply this balm bronzer where the sun naturally hits your face. Blend it with a brush or with your fingers. Okay, so this is how it looks. So it says Merit Balm Bronze, and on the side you have the M from Merit. This is in the shade. I chose the color Cyan. Basically in the box it tells you everything that I just told you. So let's open it. And this is how it looks. Look at this. This is beautiful. I love the M from Merit. This is the product. Here is the bronze balm. It is beautiful, gold, simple, chic, and this you can just put it on your makeup tray. It's gonna look very aesthetic. And here is the bronzer. You just turn this and you have more product. Do a swatch for you. Oh, it feels very nice on the skin. So this is how the shade Shein looks on the skin, and also at the bottom it gives you the shade. Apply this on the face like that. It feels really nice on the skin. Nose, a little bit here, going to start blending with a brush. It feels really nice and really smooth on the skin. Oh, this is like butter on the face, but I mean, like, blends nicely on the skin. You guys know that I always use powder bronzers, never any like sticks, anything like that, and this is really nice. So I have a discount code. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box. So if you purchase some Merit products on meritbeauty.com, you can receive free shipping with orders of $40, and also on your first purchase they will give you a free signature bag. After applying the bronze balm, we're gonna go with blush. For blush, I'm going to use Cottage Life from ColourPop. This is a blush stick. I'm just going to use to just apply directly the product on my face, but I feel like it looks more natural by just applying it with the fingers. Also, I'm gonna use Picnic Time from ColourPop too. This is more like a pinky blush. This is just to apply it directly on the cheeks, just to make it a little bit pinky. I'm gonna apply some highlight also with the finger. I've been doing this with finger, the blush, the highlight on the face with fingers, and I love it. I'm not gonna tell you guys, well, it's the Rare Beauty. You guys know that I can't stop using this product. I'm gonna first use Tres Luce Beauty, the I Am palette. I'm going to use the color Light, and this is just to set the concealer that I apply a little bit on the lid and the crease. Before starting the makeup on the eye, like I said before, it's gonna be brown, super simple, something for every day. It's the makeup that we mostly tend to use to go out, or like an everyday makeup look. Now I'm gonna move on and use another palette from Tres Luce. It's called La Flor de Mexico. I feel like this palette, it's very fall palette and I love it. So I'm gonna use first the color Petunia, and I'm just gonna start working this color on the crease to have some depth on the crease, and pop a little bit of brown. And as you guys can see, I'm just doing it halfway of my crease and taking this one out because I want to keep the inner part very open. Just by adding some color on the crease, it gives the eyes a lot of difference. I'm going to move on with another color. I'm going to use Passiflora, and this color we're going to apply it and make a cat eye. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the side, really close to my lashes. Now on top of that, we're just gonna grab a tiny bit of Chocolate Cosmos, which is darker than Passiflora, and like I said, just a tiny bit, and apply this brown on top of Passiflora, eating the previous brown, but it's just gonna look not too clean and it looks pretty. After that, I'm going to apply some mascara on my top lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce. Falsies are gonna be natural, just to keep this natural makeup look very simple. Now for my waterline, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild pencil. This is in the color Taupe of Morning, nude color, and this is just to add some extra color underneath the eyes. It'll be on the nude brown colors. I'll go again with Petunia, and I'm going to apply it underneath the eyes just to add a little bit of color and not leave it blank. We can say it like that, just a tiny bit, and doing the same thing on the side of the eye. For my lower lashes, I'm using the Merit mascara. I love this mascara. I'm gonna use some falsies. These are very natural. For the lip, to use this one, it's been a while that I don't use it. It's also from Merit. It's a lip oil. This is in the color taupe. But before that, I'm going to apply a lip liner. This one is from Glamlight from Frosted Flakes. Now I'm gonna use the lip oil from Merit. Some setting mist. This one is from e.l.f. And that's it. This is the final look. Very natural, so with some soft brown on the eyes, the lip too. Very simple and natural and glowy. I just want to remind you that I'll leave you guys a discount code down below on the description box for this new bronzer balm. Also, again, don't forget, if you purchase on meritbeauty.com, we'll have free shipping if you have a purchase of $40 and a free signature bag on your first order. So again, I'll leave the link down below with a discount code. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. I'll leave on the screen my social media, and I'll see you guys next time.